this is what we have. So good. And this. Hey beautiful fam, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new, this is based in the United States. So today it's going to be a cooking with me. So I will be juicing, making popsicle, and making jollof rice. If you are new here, in Nigeria, based in the United States, like I said, and this is my son. As I was setting up my gadget to film, he woke up and I know he still wanted to sleep, so I had to back him this African way. Yeah, so today I've told you what I will be making. Kindly like this video from me, I would really appreciate that. Subscribe if you love what to see. You enjoy it here, lifestyle, cooking, and everything in between. This is what I do here. So subscribe to join the beautiful family. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you for always liking, sharing my video, and always dropping your thoughts in the comment section. So let's dive into the business of today. I appreciate you. Please kindly watch this video to the end and watch my ad. Thank you so much. Let's go. So here is the juice I'll be making: orange, beetroot, and ginger. So I have this popsicle maker. I wanted to buy it on Amazon. I have two that I'm using, but I misplaced their lids. So yesterday, as I woke up from my nap, my husband just told me that a neighbor, our good neighbor, came to give us this. It's very, very thoughtful of him, and I wanted to, like, I've even added it to my cart just to check out, and I got this. So thoughtful of him. I really appreciate that. So I'll be washing this now to make the popsicle, guys. So let me not bore you with washing. I will wash. So this is what I'll be doing. I'm making some banana and strawberry smoothie. Yeah, that is what I'm making. I'll just try this in. Daddy, you want to come down? I wanted to make a mango, but I don't have condensed milk at home, so I'll be using milk for these. This is the milk I have at home. Yeah, new though. Yeah. Then I have to wash my fruits with salt. I don't have vinegar for washing again. Let me not bore you. So I'm done washing. I will have to blend now with water. My daughter will be so happy today to make this at home. She requested I make her so it's done now. It was so full. The popsicle is done. I will just put it inside the fridge now. So let me show you this new gadgets. This little gadget I got from Amazon. It's been so handy for me. I really love how it shops. So I will show you how it works. So here we go. It's really good. I love it. I have to put the baby down. I gave him some fruit and crackers to eat. Hi. Filming with kids is not easy. I put him down. He was dragging my tripod, my lighting, everything. So I'm putting salt in my meat. Then I also the one I blended. So I was recording. I didn't know that my memory was full, so I had to empty some things now. I've already seasoned my meat. I'll just leave that to cook now. I'm going to marinate this for my kids. Chicken, I'll put my salt. And this barbecue Korean sauce, I'm going to add it. I love it. I will just add it like that. It's almost finished. I showed you guys the other day. I really love it. My thyme. Then this sesame oil, I'm going to add a little bit. I do add pepper, just a bit, because my kids, they don't like pepper like that. And my Maggi, not much. The last thing is my all-purpose seasoning. I'll just add this like that. That's it, guys. I'll just mix now. Let me wash my hand. Mix everything together, then put it inside the fridge for some hours, probably an hour. Yeah, it's always good, guys. It's really good. So they love it that way. I love marinating it like this, then put it in the air fryer than frying it. I discovered that it's always good that way. It tastes so good that way. Yeah. So that's it. Hi Danny, no crying, no crying. So right now I want to blend the pepper for my jollof rice. I have 2 bell pepper here and onions. Yeah, so this is what I will do. I'll add just a little water. Yes, let me show you what my baby did. Messy made on the floor. You want orange? No. No? What do you want? Say hi. Say hi. 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 Hi everyone. Hi. Hi. You want me to pack it? At this point I was really tired. I couldn't talk again. I just needed to do this voiceover now. So I'm using this small tin tomatoes. I really love it because you can just use it at a stretch and throw it away. Yeah, so this is my bay leaf. So I just throw it into the onions I'm frying. Yeah, so that's just it. And the next thing is frying the tin tomatoes for like 15 minutes. I want it to be so done before I pour the regular pepper. As you can see now, I've already poured the regular pepper that I blended. Yeah, and Domino just wanted me to back him. He just woke up. Whenever I wake up like that, he just wants to feel you, like you want you to pet him just like the baby is. Big baby. So that was it. Having close babies is not really easy like that. At some point I was like, who asked me to start this cooking? But I just needed to start the cooking. It was a Friday and we needed to just eat. Yeah, and I enjoy cooking, honestly, guys. Anything for my family. So at this point the goat meat was done and I'm using the stock for the jollof rice. I tasted it. It was really good, like you can see. Yeah, so as I'm doing that, I just want to peel off the oranges. Guys, this recipe was so good. I intended to just do the orange beets and little ginger before, but I added apple. It was so good. Since I have this juicer now, we've not been buying regular store-bought juice again. I make juice on a regular basis. I make it in bash and I put it inside the fridge. We've just been drinking it. It's really good, and this one that I did today was really good. I didn't intend to put the apple, but the apple elevated the taste, and you know, beet has this kind of sweetness. Yeah, beet is so sweet. Yeah, I don't know if some beets are not sweet, but for this one and the orange, it was so good. The recipe was really good. You can give it a try. Don't put a lot of ginger. As you can see, I just put a little ginger and it was so good. It was really good. My kids had it. It was only Dominion that did not want it, and Vine was just here. She was so excited, flying the flag of America. Yeah, so that's it, guys, and I'm here to juice now. You can see my kids, they were just all over. So that's the apple that I use. I think I used 4 apples, and you see the ginger that I used. This juicer is a game changer for me. I really love it compared to the one of Timo, the masculating juicer that was giving me stress. It's just somewhere in my cabinet. I'm not really ready for that. Anytime I want to use it and I put all this heavy fruits, it just break down. It disconnects on its own, so I'm not ready for that. But for this, is a good buy. Like, I really appreciate my husband for buying this juicer, and as you can see, it's doing the work. It's so perfect. I recommend it for you if you want to buy this juicer, and it bring out a lot of juice, as you can see. And at this point my kids were dragging the tripod. As you can see, the camera was shaking. That is kid for you. They will just make everything chaotic for you. That's the joy of motherhood. Thank God, and I pray for whoever is watching this. Probably you are looking unto God for the fruit of the womb. God will grant your heart desires in Jesus' name. I was once there, so I will always pray for trying to conceive parents, that God will grant your heart desires. Whatever the problem might be, hear this: God is on the throne and there is nothing impossible for God to do. He's a God of possibility. With him all things are possible. No matter the reports, believe God's reports. So that is it. I enjoyed doing this juice for my family, and Divine was here to help me. Yeah, to bring out the bottles. I bought these bottles from Family Dollar. Yeah, and I'm done at this point. As you can see, I am done. It was really good. The juice was so good, better than the store bought that they will put preservative or whatever. For this, it will last for some days, probably 3 or 4 days. Yeah, so we still have it inside the fridge. It's so good. So enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, and if you are new here, turn on your notification bell for more of our videos. Subscribe to join the beautiful family, and my membership is on. You can join my membership to support this channel. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you, and you can see, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, I'm done. This is all I prepare. This is all I prepare for my family. The juice, plantain. This is the chicken. Look at it, guys. So good. Really good. It's not burnt. It's because of the. It's not burnt. It's because of what I used. So and juice. Maybe it's eating by itself. Just look at it. The man is eating. The mina is eating. So guys, this is what I have in front of me. Yeah, and my food. Yeah, guys, we got a new dining chair. You know, it was a round table before for those people that have been following. So we have a rectangle. This is rectangle, right? A rectangle shape. My husband is sleeping. Tried Nigerian jollof rice before? If you are not in Nigerian, and it's so easy to follow, just follow the step, and that's it, guys. I will see you some other time. Bye.